The 200-mile-per-hour laboratory is a feature documentary that dives deep into the psyche of the world's most fearless athletes, race car drivers. Just the thought of driving at 230 miles per hour, wheel to wheel with 30 other machines, inches apart, would paralyze 99.9% of the population. But for these drivers, it's not chaos, it's clarity. And without their courage, our modern emergency response system, the very tools and techniques used when you dial 911, might never have been born. The racetrack was the proving ground. The wreckage became the research. So how do they do it? How do they drive into danger when fear would stop anyone else? At 200 miles per hour, fear doesn't stand a chance if the mind is full. Drivers aren't born fearless. They're built that way. First, they know the machine, inside and out. It's not just a vehicle. It's an extension of their body and mind. When something's off, they feel it before it breaks. Second, they bring experience. Every mistake, every win, every near miss is stitched into muscle memory. They don't just react, they remember. Third, they carry supreme confidence, not bravado, real confidence, forged in fire and precision, lap after lap. When knowledge, experience, and confidence fill the brain, there's no room left for fear. But let just one of those slip, and fear rushes in. And at 230 miles per hour, fear can be fatal.